Employee Retention Tax Credit, Understanding Eligibility. With the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic, the Employee Retention Tax Credit was introduced to support businesses. But who exactly qualifies for it? Let's dive in. First and foremost, to be eligible, your business must have been either completely or partially halted by government orders related to COVID-19 or have faced a notable drop in gross receipts when compared to the same quarter in 2019. There are also specifics regarding wages. If you've received a PPP loan, the wages used for its forgiveness cannot be the same ones you use for the ERC. Owner's wages? They're off the table. Employee counts matter too. Employee counts are pivotal in this equation. For those eyeing the credit for 2020, the number to remember is 100. Ensure you had no more than 100 full-time employees on average in the prior year. Considering 2021, businesses should ensure they had 500 or fewer average full-time employees to meet the criteria. Size does matter, especially in determining if your business needs to consolidate as one entity for ERC. If businesses are interlinked via common ownership, they're seen as one for ERTC. This means combining gross receipts and employee counts across all to check if they meet the ERTC benchmarks. Nail all these criteria, and you could see a tax credit of up to $26,000 per employee. This is a silver lining for those tough times. Wondering about the qualifying period? The ERC was initially slated to span from March 13, 2020, through the end of Q4, 2021. However, a twist came with the $1.2 trillion Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act. Despite Congress's earlier decision to extend the ERC through Q4, it was repealed for that quarter 6 months later. With employees returning to work and business revenues rebounding, both eligibility for and usage of the ERC saw a decline. Got hit with a government-imposed shutdown due to COVID-19? There's another credit for you. The Suspension of Operations credit is for businesses that had to stop or limit their operations because of the pandemic. To claim this credit, remember to amend your quarterly payroll tax return using Form 941X. The ERTC is a beacon of hope for many businesses that got hit during those tumultuous times. Thank you so much for joining us. Remember to subscribe, like, and share to stay engaged.